How to overcome adrenal fatigue. Feeling constantly tired, wired but exhausted, craving sugar or salt, struggling to wake up, or crashing mid-afternoon. These are some of the most common complaints people describe when they talk about adrenal fatigue. While the term itself isn't a medical diagnosis, the experience behind it is very real for many people. It's the feeling of being chronically drained, overwhelmed, and unable to bounce back from stress the way you used to. In this guide, we'll break down what people mean when they talk about adrenal fatigue, what can contribute to these symptoms, and the practical lifestyle changes that can help restore balance, energy, and resilience. Think of this as a roadmap to rebuilding your body's stress response and supporting your overall well-being. Understanding adrenal fatigue, what people really mean. The adrenal glands are small organs that sit above your kidneys. They help regulate your stress response, energy levels, blood pressure, and metabolism. When people say adrenal fatigue, they're usually describing a cluster of symptoms linked to long-term stress, poor sleep, nutrient deficiencies, and burnout. Common experiences include feeling tired no matter how much you sleep, difficulty waking up in the morning, afternoon crashes, craving salty or sugary foods, feeling overwhelmed easily, low motivation or mental fog, trouble handling stress. These symptoms can have many causes: lifestyle, sleep patterns, diet, stress load, or underlying health issues. That's why it's important to view adrenal fatigue as a signal that your body needs support, not a diagnosis. The role of stress in energy depletion. Chronic stress is one of the biggest contributors to the symptoms associated with adrenal fatigue. When your body is constantly in fight or flight mode, your stress hormones stay elevated for longer than they should. Over time, this can leave you feeling depleted, anxious, or unable to relax. Stress can come from many sources: work pressure, emotional stress, lack of sleep, overtraining, poor diet, blood sugar swings, long-term illness, major life changes. The key to overcoming adrenal fatigue symptoms is learning how to reduce stress where possible and support your body's ability to recover from it. Lifestyle strategies to support energy and balance. Here are the most effective, research-supported lifestyle habits that help people feel more balanced and energized. 1. Prioritize restorative sleep. Sleep is the foundation of hormonal balance and energy restoration. Many people experiencing adrenal fatigue symptoms also struggle with poor sleep quality. Helpful habits include going to bed at the same time each night, avoiding screens 1 hour before bed, keeping your room cool and dark, limiting caffeine later in the day, creating a calming bedtime routine. Even small improvements in sleep can dramatically improve energy levels. 2. Balance your blood sugar. Blood sugar swings can mimic or worsen adrenal fatigue symptoms. When your blood sugar crashes, your body releases stress hormones to bring it back up, which can leave you feeling shaky, tired, or irritable. General tips for stable energy. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Avoid skipping meals. Choose slow-digesting carbs. Reduce sugary snacks. Include protein at breakfast. Stable blood sugar equals stable energy. 3. Reduce stimulants and energy quick fixes. Caffeine, energy drinks, and sugary snacks can give you a temporary boost, but often lead to a crash later. Many people rely on these because they're already exhausted, but over time, they can worsen the cycle. You don't need to eliminate caffeine completely, just be mindful of how much you consume and how it affects your energy. 4. Support your body with gentle movement. Exercise is essential for health, but intense workouts can sometimes worsen fatigue if your body is already depleted. Gentle, restorative movement can help. Walking, yoga, stretching, light strength training, Pilates, low-impact cardio. The goal is to move your body without draining your energy reserves. 5. Practice stress reduction techniques. Supporting your nervous system is one of the most powerful ways to overcome adrenal fatigue symptoms. Helpful practices include deep breathing, meditation, journaling, nature walks, mindfulness, gentle music, limiting social media, setting boundaries. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Nutrient deficiencies that may affect energy. Many people experiencing adrenal fatigue symptoms also struggle with nutrient deficiencies that impact energy, mood, and stress resilience. While only a healthcare professional can test for deficiencies, here are some nutrients commonly associated with low energy. 1. Iron. Low iron can cause fatigue, weakness, and difficulty concentrating. 2. Vitamin B12. Important for energy production and nervous system function. 3. Magnesium. Supports relaxation, sleep, and muscle function. 4. Vitamin D. Low levels are linked to low mood and low energy. 5. Electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium help maintain hydration and energy. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Support brain health and inflammation balance. If you suspect deficiencies, it's best to speak with a healthcare professional who can guide you based on your individual needs. Building a daily routine for recovery. Here's a simple structure many people find helpful. Morning. Hydrate. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Get natural sunlight. Avoid checking your phone immediately. Afternoon. Balanced lunch. Short walk. Limit caffeine. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Evening. Light dinner. Gentle stretching. Reduce screen time. Create a calming bedtime routine. Consistency is more important than perfection. When to seek professional support. If your fatigue is severe, long-lasting, or affecting your daily life, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional. Fatigue can have many causes, and a professional can help identify what's contributing to your symptoms and guide you toward appropriate care. Final thoughts. Overcoming adrenal fatigue symptoms isn't about quick fixes. It's about rebuilding your energy from the inside out. By supporting your sleep, managing stress, nourishing your body, and creating healthy routines, you can restore balance and feel more energized, grounded, and resilient.